everybody, welcome back. So today we're making some pot of gold cheesecakes. I think that these are so cute and they are so perfect for St. Patrick's Day. So what these are Bailey's cheesecake, and it's like a cheesecake mixture that I've put into like little silicone cauldrons. And I've also layered some strawberries and strawberry jam in between the cheesecake to just like kind of cut through the sweetness and balance out a little bit. And they are topped with little mini Rolos that are sprayed with that Wilton Gold color spray that I used. Was it yesterday? Checking my schedule. I don't know. Sometime this week because I'm filming this in advance. And we also have some little Shamrock sprinkles. I think that these are so cute. And also, if you can't find the cauldrons, you can use little like black ramekins instead. I think that would just be like equally as cute because apparently I can't find those cauldrons anywhere online. I bought them at Michael's if you're curious. But anyways, yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to place the mini Rolos on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and spray some Wilton Gold color spray onto all sides until it's evenly coated, and then just set these aside. Then to make the cheesecake filling, beat some cream cheese, sugar, and cocoa powder with an electric mixer until smooth. Add some Baileys and whipping cream and whisk until incorporated. And if you don't want to incorporate Baileys, which is completely fine, just substitute the Baileys with some more whipping cream so that you maintain that nice creamy texture. In a separate bowl, combine the chopped strawberries and some strawberry jam. Microwave for 30 seconds, then mix the slightly mashed strawberries together with the jam. Then fill some silicone cauldrons or some black ramekins, about a third of the way full, with the cheesecake mixture. Spoon some of the strawberries on top, then fill them the rest of the way with the cheesecake filling. Then just decorate with the gold Rolos and Shamrock sprinkles, and you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you try these out, please send me a photo at pankobunny on Twitter or Instagram. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and ring that little notification bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified. I can't speak today. So you get notified whenever I upload a new video, because I'm now uploading every day from Monday to Friday. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So you guys have like so much more recipes coming at you. I can't wait. So excited. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.